Good afternoon. My name is Castro. In this video, he will talk about a recipe: strawberries with cream. Ingredients: 1. In 2 cups, 300 grams fresh strawberries. 2. 1 cup, 204 milliliters. 3. 3 tablespoons powdered sugar. 4. 1 tablespoons vanilla extract. 5 mint leaves, 4 grams optional. Instructions: prepare the strawberries. Wash the strawberries thoroughly and remove the stems. If they are large, you can slice them in half or quarters. 2. Make the whipped cream in a mixed bowl. Combine the heavy cream, powdered sugar. 3. Whip the cream using hand mix or whisk. Beat the mixture until soup be careful not hover with dough. 1 into fluffy and smooth. 4. Hasten the dressing in serving bowls or great lace the strawberries and whipped cream alternately. 5. Garnish and serve. If dressing, garnish leave an extra dose of mint. Very good.